Hi guys, so today I want to teach you guys on how to add a integrate payment functionality into your app. So here is a sample code I provide for you guys. Let me first of all write it. Let me title my payment functionality. Okay, so let me paste my sample code. Okay, so here's the sample code we found in the payments area. So now, if you want to currently now, if I fill in details, let me just say my name. Okay, yes. So let's click on load. You'll see that this thing will load and it won't be able to load something where you can be able to pay. Nothing is wrong here. The reason why it's showing something like this is that we haven't had our paystack ID, paystack API key here. So if you see, let me trigger a line for you. At the 76, you see where they say key. 67 line, you see where they say key. So here we're supposed to replace our API key here, our paystack API key here, the public one here, so that once users try to pay, it will show. So let me show you how to put the key here. So let me log in. So come to this area, this site here. But before then, you must create your paystack account. Go to paystack www.paystack.com and create. Let me show you where to search. Go to your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome browser and search for paystack. Search for paystack. Pay Paystack. Just only paystack like this and search. You'll see something like this. Click on this paystack and create account. Here you see create. So create account for yourself. So after you create account and everything has done like this, your account has been live. So click on this icon here, preference, and then click on this profile icon and then click on preference. So let's click on this preference. You see where they say API key webhook. Click on this API key. So here is our public API key. Here's our public key. But for now, we're going to use this test key so that you see how it works. Okay, I just copied this test public key. So let me come to our code here. That's 76. So let me come to that 76. I'll replace it. Put it here. And let's add it here now. HTML, blah, blah. So let's check what is going on here now. Have you seen it? It's now working. Let's say users choose to pay by card. This is just a test tool. So let me just click on this. I have successful pay. Have you seen it? Payment successful, transaction reference. Have you seen it? Payment successful. This is your transfer. See, this is very important. This reference ID is very important. For example, now in this my HTML creator app, you will see something like this reference ID. Copy it to save it somewhere in case this app is mistakenly deleted in your phone. So let me show you in case you just download this app now. You have paid before, but you just download it new. So this is what you need to do. You will not see the verified badge again. So this is what you see. You see this referral this thing. You enter your email you used to pay. The email you enter your email here, and you enter that your referral ID. This referral ID, after you enter and click on verified, you'll be automatically verified as person that paid. Okay, that's how it works. So for example, now if you don't know what verify ID means, you see in this my app how it works. You see where you need to copy your verify ID, how it works. You can also find this your verify ID in your email in case you forgot where you kept it. Okay, you can see it in your email. Okay, after your successful payment, you see your verify ID in your email. This integration is different from this payment stuff now, I'm telling you. So once payment is done, you'll see something like that. But if the payment is not done, I just remove myself from paid service. Okay, so let me reactivate myself. I have to watch advert. If in an app a payment is done, after a payment is done, and you want something to happen, just like the way it happened in my app here, let me show you. The way it happened in my app, ads has been removed, view all the more, all this project, all this stuff. What you need to do is copy this code here. Let me copy this code. I will see this page. You have to copy this code here to for you to uh AI. Just tell him that in this code here, in this code below, in this code below, after Let's submit and see what you have to say. Okay, so to store the payment information in local storage after a successful payment, you can modify the callback function within the paystack setup. Here's how you can do it. So it's doing the stuff right now. So now it has done. So let's copy it and preview the stuff. So let's remove this one and so let's paste and preview the stuff and so blah blah number. Let's click on create. So let's choose the card as well and click on pay. Very good. So let's click on this OK first. So okay, this page now it has given us another code that will handle information retrieval. Okay, now this code now will retrieve the information from other page. Will retrieve, for example, now a payment is successful done in this page. So to make the payment, to make the upgrade work, you need to go to another page. Copy this code. Okay, you need to go to another page. Okay, let's use this our preview. What is very good. Now if we click on the calculate, remember if we enter our details here and click on this calculate, remember that the URL we are going to is view. Okay, is go to view. So now since we have added a payment functionality and go to that view, users will pay will watch adverts. So what we need to do is that let's copy this code here. Let's copy this our code now here. It's like this code is much. It's not too much. Yeah. Let's copy this code and tell AI. Let me say in this code below. So let's submit it first to him. To activate it, you can modify the. So let me copy these things now and go and install it. As for you, you might not know where to put it. So if you don't understand where to install this stuff now, okay, you can tell him that I want you to rewrite all the codes and do the old updates yourself. So you can also write all the codes, but while it was doing that, let me go and install it. Okay, here's the calculate functionality. Remember function calculator. Till we will stop at set the current date and time, which is check payment status. So here is where we stop this particular area. This 288. We start our calculation here. Let me show you where we start our calculation. Our calculation, our integration start here. Okay, our integration start here, and we end at but it's not done yet. Let me just paste it and later remove the rest. Later remove this current time because they can be duplicated. So I have done my own now. I have done my own without waiting for AI to write the full code for us. So let me preview it and see something. Are you seeing it? Now, like now, the stuff is now working. Okay, let me change the URL because the stuff is working as one of my functionality, which is paid URL. So let me say S. So if I click here, you see that it's no longer the go view again. The code is done. So let's copy this code now to our HTML creator. So our HTML, I mean to say HTML app. So our H calculator app, I mean to say. To our H calculator app. Where is the H calculator? Now click on this one. You see now in this home page, here's what we need to install in home page, and install home page. page. There's our own page. Now what you need to do now, you see this result page, you need to duplicate it. Duplicate it. Duplicate the result page. And come here. You mark this one. Okay, let me show you something we need to do. Here should not be view again. Here should be the free distance, which is the link should be this one you paste here. Okay, let me set it like this. This one, this P, the link here should be this one here, and close it. Then the name. Okay, let's leave it copied. Okay, let's leave it copied. But something you need to do too, because this place users have to watch advert before they can access it. But here, the second page, we should remove this one because users has paid for this one. Okay, users has paid for it, so let's remove it and save it here. So users don't have to watch adverts to access this page. So here we need to click. We need to update this page. Add, so I can remember where you added ads service, and save it. Save it. So here we need to remove this stuff. But I did it. I am doing it because of the way I set my own. Okay. So let's click on done. So right now, let's push it up to make it professional. Okay. Very good. So we have not done the payment stuff. A payment page. We have not yet done a payment page. Okay. So now if page calculator app. So this is our age calculator app. So now users have you seen it? Users have to upgrade or do blah 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 to watch. Now users will still watch advert here because in this app the users have not yet upgraded. Okay. So the reason why we watch advert here is because users has not paid yet. Just said something. Let me show you something. Now here we are watching advert because okay, just see what I want to do. So now let's say we want to upgrade. Okay, are you seeing this button here? This button here in this code. Okay, let's do something now. Let's come to our HTML creator app. You see this button here? Okay, let me show you where the button is. Here is the upgrade. So if users click on this button here now, if users click on this upgrade, it will take them to upgrade it. Okay, so what we need to do right now is let's come to our HTML and copy this code. I give you this code now, this payment code. Okay, this payment code. Okay, so let me check. Okay, let me check something. I just want to check something. Okay, there's something we need to update here in this code. In this code, something we need to update. Storage set items. This items is setting is payment info. Is not what we really want. So what we need to do is has paid, because the reason why I said this has paid. Let me show you something now. Now here is payment info. This area is talking about payment info. That's what is setting into the storage. So if we use this code now to our this, even though when users paid, okay, it won't still work in that side. Okay, let me show you an example now. Let me show you so that you confirm by yourself. Okay, let me show you. So let's create another code HTML for where the users will make a payment. Let me paste it here. Okay, and click on the here is this thing, the functionality of this where is the go calculator. I'm not done yet. I'm coming. Okay, so this place is I'm going to put the link here so that if users click on it, it will take them here. Okay, so here we're going to talk about let's say upgrade it, whatever. Let's do a title and the color should be custom, and let's click on save. Okay, so as a professional way, okay, let's just click on save, and but in a professional way, you need to scroll down and add this option, this preview on upload. Yes, and that's all. And click on the save. So let's refresh it. Let's open the age calculator app to see how it will work now. Remember that the payment info is still there. So let's see how it works first. Let me say HTML creator, HTML rubbish. So let's go check how it works. Okay, so let's choose card. If for example, and I click on pay. Okay, so now we have paid though. We have paid. So let's see our navigation. Let's refresh the app now and see our navigation. You see that navigation, are you seeing it? It's still requesting us to watch advert. Why? It's because of the tag, because of what we set. It shouldn't be payment info. It should be, this is what it should be because of the other page. Okay, where is the other page? Preview page. Very good. So what we need to set in local storage is this. Let me show you what we need to set in local storage. Okay, so this is what it should be. This as paid. Okay, that's what it should set in local storage. Get item, because this page now is getting items like something like this as paid so amount. Okay, so that is what we should set. We should set in this particular area. Or should we copy this and save? Okay, let's use this particular one, not as paid so amount. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. Okay, to input in the other page so that it will rhyme. Let's use this one. Where is that place we need to put? Okay, visibility. Okay, this number one area we need to install the aspect. This is so annoying. Okay, second area is this one, payment info. If aspect refer to the blah blah blah, it's not paid. Okay, aspect. Okay, so here again we need to, anywhere we see something like this, we need to change it. Anywhere we see something like this, we need to change it. Okay, okay, anywhere we see something like that, we need to change it. So let's scroll down current date. It's like it is done now. It is done. It is done. It is done. Okay, another place is this. It's not done. There's another problem here. It's not done. It is done now. Okay. It is, I think it's done now. Okay, so let me see something. Very good. Okay, so now let me copy this code. Now let me copy this and come back to update our homepage. Homepage, because this code is for the homepage, and paste it. Okay, and update it. So let me refresh this app and say something. Hey, sorry, I don't know why my hand is always opening the other app. So let's refresh it. Have you seen that this one is working without out? This one is working without out. Okay, this one is now working without out. Why? Because this payment area, have you seen that? Are you seeing it that the banner, the badge has worked now? Are you seeing it? The badge has worked now, which verifies that users has paid. Are you seeing it? So this means that users has paid. Okay, that's the function of that banner, that badge. So that is how to install payment functionality. You can also, so in our tag now, what we need to tag, if it were you now, you say that you will integrate your other page anywhere you want users to pay before accessing. You will use this paid info. Now our tag is pay info. Pay info is our tag now. Here is it. Where is that area? Paid info now is now our tag. Okay, paid info. Let me copy it again. Paid info is now our tag. Is now our tag, like what we are looking into. Okay, so if paid info is not found in local storage, don't allow users to navigate to this PAIS URL. Okay, if paid info is not found in local storage, don't allow users to navigate to that URL you send, the second one. Else it will thank God you are seeing else here. This 284. You are seeing else here, that 284. Else you navigate them to the previous URL, which is view. And this view now, they will have to watch advert to access this search. Understand? So that is how to integrate it. Number one URL is paste. I just install it, like I can install it in another way. You can put it me, or you can put it me, go me, or go you can put it like this. But if you put it like this, make sure you come to your HTML, that particular area. Let me show you something. Make sure you come to your, if you install it and update your homepage like that, make sure you come to this your result page. Sorry, to this your result page here now, where you put the PARC and update whatever thing you update here. I don't know if you are getting me. This place is where we put the PAIS. So if you are changing the PAIS, make sure you also change it here too, to whatever thing changed there. Okay, so that if users paid, it will navigate to this place. But if user doesn't pay, it will navigate to the ad site, to the ad site, which is this second page, result page ads. You have to watch ads here. Okay, so this is your upgrade page, and that's all. That's a lot more. That's how I use to install payment information in my app. All right, thanks for watching. God bless you.